Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lim, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab and Rebut. Today, we're going to talk about that sneaky, nagging forearm pain that doesn't seem to go away no matter how much you stretch it. All right, let's get into it. Let me paint you a picture. Your forearm is like the backstage crew of a concert. Nobody sees them and nobody thanks them, but they are running everything. Typing, gripping, or holding your phone at a weird angle for 45 minutes. That is all your forearm. And here's the problem. This crew never gets a break. Most people don't realize this, but your forearm muscles are built more for endurance than power. Research on muscle fiber composition shows that forearm flexors and extensors contain a high percentage of type 1 slow twitch fibers, meaning they are designed to work all day long without fatiguing quickly. Sounds great, right? Not exactly, because doesn't fatigue quickly doesn't mean doesn't get overloaded. It just means it can tolerate abuse longer. Now, layer on top of that office work, mouse use, keyboard typing, and phone scrolling. All of these activities keep your forearm in one position, pronation. That means your palm is facing down and stays there for hours. Think of it like this. Your forearm is supposed to be a rotating screwdriver, turning, adjusting, and moving freely. But modern life turns it into a locked wrench, stuck in one position, cranking the same bolt over and over again. When your forearm lives in pronation, the pronator muscles stay shortened. The supinator muscles get weak and underused. The extensors on the top of your forearm are constantly stabilizing. Over time, this creates an imbalance where certain tissues are over-recruited, under-recovered, and eventually irritated. This is why you see conditions like tennis elbow, general forearm tightness, grip fatigue, and even numbness or tingling. Here's where most people go wrong. They feel tight, so they stretch. It makes sense, but it is incomplete because tightness in the forearm is often not just length, it's also density and tone. Think of your muscle like a sponge. Stretching pulls the sponge longer, but it doesn't necessarily squeeze out the stiffness inside. So you stretch. It feels good for 30 seconds, and then it snaps right back. Foam rolling or self-myofascial release targets the quality of the tissue, not just the length. Research shows that these techniques can improve short-term range of motion, reduce perceived muscle tightness, and enhance blood flow. More important is like taking that stiff sponge and actually wringing it out. Your forearms are dense. They are layered with tendons, fascia, small stabilizing muscles, and don't always respond well to simple stretching. They need pressure, shear, and movement, which is why foam rolling or targeted pressure work is a game changer. All right, this is where I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to release the forearm using a foam roller. Stay tuned.
All right, everyone. Typically, all you need to do is put this foam roll on a surface, like a table, so suitably kitchen table or something higher, counter. What you want to do is you're going to put your forearms, the pronators are right over here, and you can put your hands or your palms right on top to give it some pressure to cinch it from the top. You can use your own forearm from the top. Usually, this is a little bit more sensitive for those of you who have a little bit more sensitivity to it. And what you're gonna do is as you foam roll, you can kind of open your hands and kind of roll in and out. You can try different variations. You can just kind of do one angle if you want, or you can kind of do this rolling, supinating, pronating motion while you're putting pressure from the top. How much pressure you want to put from the top, it's up to you, what you can tolerate. You're just kind of putting pressure and leaning with your body from the top. You can try here, anywhere that feels sensitive or tender. So you're really just kind of rolling it from top and bottom and just getting good pressure, getting that myofascial release.
If your forearms feel tight, overworked, or just constantly on, is probably not because they are weak. It's because they are over loyal employees who never clock out. Stretching is like giving them a quick coffee break. foam rolling, that is letting them actually go home and sleep. Let us know what you thought of this and drop your questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe because it genuinely helps us keep teaching you. I'm Dr. Lin, and remember, we heal smarter.